Moving day can be tough on your belongings, especially furniture and fragile items. That is where bumpers come in. They are simple cushions that help protect your things from bumps, scratches, and dents during the move. Bumpers can be made using items you already have at home. Blankets, towels, bedding, cardboard, and even clothing work well as padding. The idea is to create a soft barrier between your belongings and hard surfaces like walls, doorways, and other furniture. To make a bumper, wrap the item fully and secure it with packing tape or stretch wrap. Focus on corners, edges, and surfaces that are most likely to get hit. For furniture, place padding between stacked items to prevent rubbing and damage. Bumpers are especially useful for mirrors, TVs, wood furniture, and anything with a delicate finish. They also help movers handle items more safely by providing a better grip. Taking a few extra minutes to create bumpers can save you from costly damage and unnecessary stress after the move. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-3431-243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.